Guys, Rich from Bushlaw Survival School, just following on from a look at shelters. People have a lot of interest in shelters, so let's have a look at some previous efforts on the course here. Now this one I'm going to show you is basically a tribal shelter. It was put together by a large group of students who decided it was smarter to pool resources and energy collectively, and the work effort resulted in a clever use of both fire and firewood as a fuel, and also the shelters themselves in terms of providing the maximum heat. Now, most of these guys, this is winter here, so they were dealing with managing their sort of thermal regulation to a large extent. But still, it's mild winter here, so we're not talking about snow and ice, so it's appropriate what they've actually done. The first shelter here, a bit of a ramshackle looking thing, but effective enough. Effective enough at providing a good level of shelter. So if you look inside the camp, you see that there's a shelter over this side and a shelter over this side. So the two form an L-shaped junction with a central fire pit, lots of large rocks which they used throughout the night to heat themselves, and firewood supply over the back there, and a lot of rest area. This is quite a big shelter, and the fact that they had a lot of people doing this allowed them to basically maximise their efforts in a useful way. They had multiple people on different tasks. Someone was assigned to go and scavenge for bits of cordage and stuff around the area to help with the shelter construction. Other people were working with the fireplace itself and that sort of communal area there. And then obviously a big part of the group effort was geared around getting these shelters themselves up. So that's just another example of the kind of strategies people put in place to help them with the issue of shelter. I'm just showing you around the back here. You can see another use of saplings and branches to weigh everything down, and a nice, fairly waterproof shelter. Big size, and that nice coming together of two shelters to form a communal space. So really well done, and that's the kind of thing we do here at the school a lot, and I've been doing this for 25 plus years already, and I'm still super impressed. And I learn myself when I see how initiative can come to the fore. It is a fantastic thing, and it really helps people understand things beyond just survival. It shows them a lot about how they have the ability to think and problem solve in quite complicated situations. While this is one of the most simple situations, the complexity becomes the fact that they're dealing with basic human life support. So there you go. I thought I just want to share that with you because that is such a cool setup. And it's been there for a few weeks now. I've been away doing some other stuff. But there's this beautiful communal shelter set up, maximising resources in a very, very positive way. Try it out, have a think. If it's yours, take it. If it doesn't, discard it. You've lost nothing, get a bit of time. Dare to survive, and see you next time.